Hello, what's up YouTube? It's your guy Kevin Matiru and welcome to my channel. On this episode, I'm going to talk about passive income opportunity that we have in the cryptocurrencies market and take you through a step-by-step process on how we are going to go about staking in the Binance Earn platform. So stick around up until the end. So when we talk about passive income, this is just investing your time and money upfront to help you earn more money continuously while you're sleeping. As Warren Buffett likes to put it, if you don't find a way to make money while you're sleeping, you'll probably have to work until you die. Or as Robert Kiyosaki says, key to financial freedom and great wealth is your ability to convert your earned income into passive income and or portfolio income. So passive income can take many forms. And when we talk about in the cryptocurrencies market, it can take different forms from the flexible savings, from the fixed savings, from we talk about staking, we have the locked staking and the flexible staking as well. So these are different forms of passive income that we have in the cryptocurrencies market. In the traditional financial system or as traditional assets, we have many forms of other passive incomes from real estate, from the stocks, from bonds, and definitely now we have a new form of passive income in the decentralized finance. We are going to talk about staking. So when we talk about staking, staking comes from the blockchain consensus mechanisms. So we have two major blockchain consensus mechanisms. So we have the proof of stake and we have the proof of work. So without going so much into the technicalities about the proof of work and the proof of stake, I will just mention what they basically entail. So on the Binance staking supports a wide variety of coins that are going to help you earn staking rewards. So the only thing that you have to do is to hold your proof of stake coins on Binance, and all the technical requirements will be taken care for you. So when we talk about staking, staking is actually the act of locking or holding your crypto assets to receive rewards. Therefore, this is an excellent way for us to generate more crypto holdings with minimal effort. So you don't have to be present for you to generate the income or the additional cryptocurrency holdings. So that's one benefit of the staking. So as I mentioned earlier, we have the two blockchain consensus mechanisms. So we have the proof of work and the proof of stake. So the proof of work consensus, like Bitcoin, can only have new blocks added by miners who deploy hardware that efficiently guesses the answer to a complex mathematical problem. So each time a miner is able to guess the solution, then he's able to verify the block and the process continues. Whereas on the proof of stake consensus, instead of having the miners validating or adding the next block, then this is determined by some process called based on the number of coins that are held in the wallet. So that is the key difference between the two consensus mechanisms. So the way we go about it is on your Binance. When you come to Binance, you have these products. So you go to the products menu and then you go to the Binance Earn. Just click on the Binance Earn. So this is actually very simple. All the technical details have been taken care for you. So yours is just to, so we have, as I mentioned, we have different products, but we are interested in the lock staking. So instead of just holding onto your coins on your spot wallet, why don't you make those coins earn more coins for you? So it's pretty simple. Once you click on the Binance Earn page, you need to select the lock staking. So you need to select on the locked staking, and then you will see I currently hold several coins that I have staked. So we have the locked staking and the decentralized finance staking. So once you click on the page, you'll actually see all these projects that you can be able to stake. And you can see the annual percentage yield. The annual percentage yield is actually higher than what the traditional banks actually give you. And that's why you see these products are actually giving you more interest, more return for you, more than the traditional financial system give you. So you just click on the asset that you want to stake. So you can see we have over 60 locked staking products, but I'm particularly interested in EOS. EOS is the coin that I want us to stake. So again, we have the fixed and the locked staking. I'm currently on the locked staking, so you can see the type, it's locked staking, and the duration as well. So typically the stake has to be locked for a fixed period, which is set by the protocol. So we have the 15 days, the 30 days, the 60 days, and the 90-day period. So the advantage of this is if you're holding or you're investing in the cryptocurrency asset class for the long term, then you want to not just hold on to your coins, but let your coins also generate more coins for you. So EOS is basically a blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications on it. So you can see I'm holding several EOS. Currently, I'm at 139, and the goal is to increase. As you can tell from the main purpose of this video is to see how we can be able to grow our assets, to build. So I'm going to the currently available. So the 30-day product is actually sold out. 60 days. You can see all these duration. They actually sold out. So the only product that I can be able to purchase is the 15 days. So and the maximum. So they have given you also the limits. We have the minimum and the maximum. So I'm going to go for the maximum. And then you can see it gives me the estimated yield. So we can see the summary of the product that I'm purchasing. We have the date that I'm staking, the value date, when I'm going to start receiving the interest. So my interest will start accruing from tomorrow. So this is every day I will be receiving interest on my spot wallet. So every day, after every 24 hours, I receive my EOS on my spot wallet. So I have the redemption date, and then after the redemption date, what normally happens is all these EOS that I have staked will be returned to my spot wallet automatically. So and then we have the estimated interest. So from this product, I'm going to get about a quarter of an EOS. And remember as well, the price of EOS is actually also increasing over the long term. And yeah, so after you have confirmed the details, then you can just confirm the purchase. Just confirm. So you can see the subscription was a success. And basically that's it. It's so simple. And now I'm expecting to be seeing my returns or my rewards daily on my spot wallet. So until the period ends, which is 15 days. So daily I'll be receiving new EOS transferred to my spot wallet. So so that's it, guys. It's pretty simple. So cheers, and be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscription button if you enjoyed and liked the video. Yeah.